Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about microplastics and our solution to this problem. First, let's define microplastics. EPA researchers define microplastics as plastics ranging from 5 millimeters to 1 nanometer. There are two types of microplastics. Primary microplastics are plastics that are produced for these commercial use. For example, the microbeads used in our personal use products. Secondary microplastics are microplastic particles that result from degradation of primary plastics. For example, the degraded bottles that floats on water. There are three sources of microplastics. First, everyday products like our soaps. Second, industrial waste, and these nurdles for example, the nurdles in the wastewaters. Third, environmental degradation, which is basically the environmental issues or environmental conditions, for example, the ocean water that's degrading the plastic bottles. So how many microplastics are there? Summing up, there are 15 to 51 trillion particles that float on the surface water globally. By 2030, plastic waste could reach up to 300 million tons annually. We ingest 5 grams of plastics every single week. So what are the consequences? First, human health. Microplastics are found to have these series of processes, for example, DNA damage and changes in gene activity that can potentially cause cancer. Second, environment. Microplastics stops the photosynthesis process of phytoplankton, which produces 50% of oxygen while also absorbs carbon dioxide simultaneously. So our solution is ultrasound waves. The basic mechanism is that the pump moves the water in a container to a system of tubes, and the transducers create a standing waves that changes the movement of the water, and the water is going to create a restoring force at the nodes, which is going to fix the microplastic at certain locations, and this is allow the microplastic to be separated from the water. So the clean water flows to a new container, while the polluted water flows to an old container. So this is our prototype. Thanks for listening.